Welcome back. I hope you are doing awesome. In the previous section, we understood about RDDs. RDDs, as we understand, are one of the low level APIs. As a part of this section, we will understand what are distributed shared variables. Distributed shared variables are also one of the important low level APIs you may end up using as a part of your project. Let us get started. As we know, as a part of the low level APIs, we have RDDs, which we have already seen as a part of the previous section. One more low level API is distributed variables. If you remember, we have low level APIs, that is RDD and distributed variables. On top of that, we have structured APIs, and on top of that, we have streaming, we have advanced analytics, and we have libraries and ecosystem. This is the diagram for components of Spark. We have already seen that multiple times. That is the reason I'm just drawing that for you now. Low level APIs come as a part of the components of Spark. Within that, we have RDDs, we have distributed variables. By the way, what are distributed shared variables? Distributed shared variables are variables you can use in any of the user defined functions you define as a part of your Spark application code. They have special properties when running on a cluster. When you run Spark code, all of that may not have a special properties, but these guys have special properties when you run on a cluster. What are those special properties? We'll discover as and when we move forward. There are two types of distributed shared variables. One is broadcast variables. Second one is accumulators. What are broadcast variables? Broadcast variables let you save the large value on all the worker nodes and reuse it across many Spark actions so that you need not resend the large value again and again to the executors. We'll understand broadcast variables in detail in our next video. What are accumulators? Accumulators let you add together data from all the tasks into a shared result from executors. That is what accumulators do. We'll again cover accumulators in detail in the upcoming video as a part of this section. Wonderful. We understood distributed shared variables at a very high level. We'll discover more on the broadcast variables in our upcoming video. Thank you. You have a good time.